Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share with you the Impact Evaluation Framework, Driving Health and Social Change. My name is Dr. Mary Rose Red Palma, and I'm a thesis student from Communication 380. This framework is designed to help us better assess and improve public health initiatives, particularly in the critical areas of advocacy, communication, and the social mobilization. Now, let's look at the core objectives that guided the development of the Impacts framework. First, our aim was to create a comprehensive and culturally sensitive tool specifically for evaluating ACSM programs. This means it's adaptable and respectful of diverse local contexts. Second, we wanted to assess key components that truly drive change in ACSM. This includes evaluating the effectiveness of inclusivity, mobilization efforts, advocacy strategies, and communication approaches. Third, the critical objectives was to promote ethical standards, transparency, and long-term sustainability within these programs. We believe that effective programs must also be responsible and enduring. Fourth, the framework is designed to align ACSM interventions with actual community needs and, importantly, with the broader sustainable development goals, ensuring that local actions contribute to global targets. And finally, a key objective is to strengthen community participation and policy influence in critical public health responses, particularly for diseases like TB and HIV. This empowers communities to be active agents and their own health outcomes. Let's start by defining the ACSM advocacy, communication, and social mobilization. These programs are vital components of public health strategies worldwide, especially in the ongoing fight against diseases like tuberculosis or TB and HIV or AIDS. Their goal or the core goals are to raise public health awareness, empower communities, and drive crucial behavior change through active engagement. To effectively fight tuberculosis and HIV/AIDS, raising awareness about these diseases is crucial. This includes educating the public about prevention, testing, and treatment options, while also tackling stigma and discrimination associated with these illnesses. So, why is awareness is important? Knowledge about how these diseases spread for TB or sexual contact and sharing needles for HIV empowers individuals to take necessary precautions. So awareness of this, we encourage the people to get tested, which is vital for both diseases. And early diagnosis and treatment level is better the outcomes and reduce the risk of transmission. And for treatment adherence, for this living with HIV or TB, understanding the importance of treatment and adhering to prescribed regimens is critical. So while in combating stigma, raising awareness helps dispel or myths of misconceptions surrounding these diseases. It will reduce or reducing the stigma and discrimination, which can be a major barrier to testing, treatment, and support. So what is impact? I is for inclusive community engagement. M is for mobilization effectiveness. P is for policy advocacy. And A is for accurate communication. C is for change in behavior. And T, that is for transparency and ethics. While ACSM programs are undeniably vital for public health, Evaluating their true impact can be quite challenging. Standard evaluation tools often fail to capture the nuances of cultural sensitivity, ethical considerations, and long-term sustainability. There's a clear need for a holistic, flexible evaluation model that truly reflects community voices and contextual realities. This is precisely where the impact framework comes in, bridging these gaps with a participatory, ethical, and theory based approach.